is Tropical Storm Lee, and I want you to be safe. Ahoy! I'm Captain Rob Lee, and welcome to Pirate Lifestyle TV. Arrrrr. I'm on the Alabama coast. This is Tropical Storm Lee. Oh, crap, there goes my hat. Hang on. You can see they're flying the double red flag, which means keep out of the water. It's extremely dangerous. Alright, I'm back. I might have to tighten my hat up. It's so darn windy out here. As you can see, it's really windy out here. The waves are frickin' enormous. Hopefully you can hear me. The rain showers come and go. Right now it's kind of a mist. I'm not sure if it's coming in off the water or if it's wet clouds catching rain. Before a few minutes ago. The water was way in. You can see the mud line right up here where the rain was, or where the tide, where the high water came in, which is very unusual. Usually it's about where it is now. If it starts raining again, I'm out of here because I am not Jim Cantore and this is not the Weather Channel, and I'm not going to stand out here in the crazy rain. This water is unbelievably impressive. Oh, son of a gun, it's starting to rain again. So I hope you enjoyed this Pirate Lifestyle TV video. It's raining, and I am freaking out of here. With ye help, me go be to motivate and stimulate ye friends to be living the pirate lifestyle. Arrrr.